In the name of Allah, the most kind and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. I am your general science teacher, and today I am again here to teach you the new topic of chapter number 5, that is AIDS. What is AIDS? The word AIDS is abbreviation of acquired immune deficiency syndrome. So AIDS spread by virus which destroy the immune system of the human body. Any disease which attacks such a patient may prove fatal and end up in the death, because human can only survive with the help of their strong immune system, and the virus which directly attack or destroy their immune system, they will destroy and they lead them to the death. The name of that virus is the HIV virus. The AIDS virus, HIV virus, which is abbreviated as HIV, and is the human immune deficiency virus. As like AIDS was the acquired immune deficiency syndrome, and the HIV is the human immune deficiency virus. We often hear about the HIV AIDS. So what is difference between the HIV AIDS is the acquired immune deficiency syndrome, and the HIV is the human immunodeficiency virus. AIDS is a medical condition. Immune system is too weak to fight infection. And HIV is a virus which attacks human immune system, and that's why we say that the HIV AIDS like HIV virus is attacking the human immune deficiency. AIDS is an infectious disease like all other viruses. So the AIDS is not an infectious disease. Infectious diseases are those which are spread by person to person, by shaking hand, by touching, and by sitting with the patient. But in case of HIV/AIDS, it does not spread by touch, sitting with patient, shaking hands, or working together. The symptoms which HIV positive people show, they are not any kind of serious symptoms or the serious illness and the weakness in the start. They may take few years to develop some symptoms, and when the symptoms appear and patient is diagnosed with this type of virus, he only survive around about 2 years. The early symptom is as simple as the minor flu, and then the man is free from any symptom for months and years. Slowly he develops the apparent AIDS symptom. There is a rapid loss of weight of affected person, and then loose motion may persist for a month or so. Fever, cough, and the pneumonia may also develop, as in case of all other viruses. Some depigmented areas may develop on the skin, like they form the pigmented area on the skin, some rashes, some spots, and patches. If we talk about the transmission of HIV/AIDS, it transmits by the syringes, the common syringes which are not disinfected. They are used again and again from the pregnant mother to the newborn baby, and from infected partner to the other one, and by the saliva, by the transfusion of blood from the patient who donate blood to the healthy people. As it doesn't spread by the mosquito or using the utensils or sitting with other people. Currently, only 75% of people with HIV know their status because it don't show any symptom till the 2 years. It could be present in the blood, in the secretion of sex organ, in the saliva, in the secretion of tear, in the sweat and urine, the transfusion of the blood and the blood products donated by the AIDS patient to the healthy person. All these parts contain the HIV virus. So it means it could be spread by using the clothes of other people, by saliva, by tear, by transfusion of blood and blood product. Same which I have told you, the affected blades used by the barber. The HIV AIDS different ways are there for its spread, like it could be spread by using the common syringes, by blood transfusion as I have told you, by the barber from the mother to the newborn, and it doesn't spread by shaking hand or by sitting with other people. The only prevention to prevent this serious and the fatal disease is that the preventive measure of AIDS are to obey the laws of Quran and always use the disposable syringes because it mainly spread by the syringes and the blood transfusion. The HIV screening of blood must be done before donating the blood. These all are the precautionary measurement which everyone must take while living in this world to avoid this fatal viral disease as it doesn't have any cure and no vaccination. So, this was all about the AIDS, the acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Allah Hafiz.